Hello, I am Lugene, your online learning librarian, and I want to welcome you to the Fullerton College Library Workshops. These workshops are really helpful for both our distance education students and our on-campus students as well. Please note that the workshops are arranged in modules within this Canvas course, and you can access the modules that are available for that semester by using the modules link on the left-hand side. Now, some of you have had instructors who have assigned a particular module. Make sure that you access the correct module in order to get credit for it, because I know how important those grades are to students. And if your instructor also has a deadline, make sure that you meet that deadline by completing the module before 11:59 on the instructor's due date. We'll use the completion date on your certificate of completion so that you get credit where credit is due. Each one of these workshop modules take about an hour to complete. They are set up as Canvas quizzes, but please don't panic. Just because it's called a quiz doesn't mean you have to study for it. Everything that you need to know will be included in the videos within the quiz, which are followed by a series of questions. So you'll watch a video, answer one or two questions, and then move to the next video. You do need to pass this particular module with 80% or better, and you get 2 opportunities to do that. If during those 2 opportunities you don't meet the 80%, use the Canvas inbox, direct your email to teachers for the workshop, and we will provide you with another opportunity to complete the quiz. A little bit of housekeeping before we move on. For grading time, please allow us 2 to 3 business days after you have submitted the quiz for us to send you your certificate of completion. We will also then put your completion date on there, not the date that we grade it. And last but not least, we do have a zero tolerance policy for sharing. So make sure that what you turn in is your own individual work. We want to know how well you understand the library. So I hope that you have fun, because we have set up the quizzes to be fun and not some really dry way of learning about the library, or plagiarism, or citation, whichever workshop you're in. We're going to try to make it as fun as possible. So, get in there, choose a module, and enjoy.